Lesson 9.5, sixth graders. Subtracting integers is a lot like adding integers. We're going to talk about how adding and subtracting integers are related. Okay? Subtracting means taking away, but the easiest way to think of subtracting integers is to think of adding the negative, or changing two negatives to plus. And we're going to talk about how to do both of those today. Alright? Let's start with this one. Because we know that 3 plus negative 7 is negative 4. We learned about that in the last lesson. We learned about adding a negative, or adding two negatives together equals more negative. 3 plus negative 7, since the absolute value of 3 means that it's only 3 from 0, and then if we went to the left 7, we'd end up at negative 4. And so 3 minus 7 is the same thing. 3 minus 7 is exactly the same as 3 plus negative 7. If you add 3 and you take away 7, or if you are at 3 on the number line and you move to the left 7, you get the same answer, negative 4. You still end up at negative 4. 3 minus 7 equals negative 4. 3 plus negative 7 equals negative 4. So the most simple way to think of subtracting with positive and negative is to insert a plus sign in front of the minus sign. Whenever you have one minus sign there, you just put a plus sign in front of it and think 3 plus negative 7. Okay? What would be 2 minus 5? What would be 2 minus 5? What would we do? Kaden?
For the plus sign, right before the negative, there's the minus sign.
So what does that equal then?
3.
Negative
3.
3. Good. Because the negative number is bigger than the positive number, the answer will be negative. Okay? How about this one? Let's see. 7 minus 11. 7 minus 11. How would we figure that out, Maya? Just read what it says.
Insert a plus sign before the negative sign.
Yep. So put in plus sign here, and then solve it. Who knows what 7 plus negative 11 is? Aiden?
Negative, come on, Google.
Negative 4. Yep. How about this one? Negative 9 minus 8. Krista?
Negative 1.
No. Now, insert a plus sign before the negative sign. No. What does it become? Now read it. Negative 9 plus negative 8 equals negative 17. Yep. What is it, Krista?
Negative 17.
Negative 17. It works for the minuses also. Negative 9 minus 8 means we're another move to the left. Negative 9 plus negative 8 is the same thing. And so it works whether you have a negative starting at a negative number or at a positive number. Okay? Any questions on this? Remember to insert a plus sign before the negative sign. Okay? Now, that's the first thing you have to remember. The second type of problem, this is a different type of problem that you're going to encounter. The second type of problem is when you have minus a negative number. Minus a negative number. When you're studying English class, and if you have heard somebody say, I don't not like pizza.
I don't know.
What does that mean?
They like it.
They actually like it. I don't not like pizza. It's a double negative in a row. Right? I don't not. I do not. And that's kind of like what this is. A double negative. Two negatives in a row. And they cancel each other out. Two minus signs in a row cancel out and become just plus. So 5 minus negative 7 becomes plus. That's why I said at the beginning of class, minus equals plus. Everybody try it. Minus equals plus. Minus equals plus.
Minus equals
There. Ooh, that would be good. Minus equals plus.
Oh yeah.
minus
Let's try some of these. What would be 3 minus negative 4?
Okay.
Minus equals. What is it, class?
7! We know
What
what
is
this shit.
5 minus negative 9.
42.
On you on.
14.
14.
Yeah.
What would be 18 minus negative 4?
22.
Because we would change that to plus sign, okay? Now, wait. Let's go back. And how would this problem be different? 3 minus 4. Is that the same as 3 minus negative 4?
No.
What would we do in front of the minus sign? Insert a plus sign. What is the answer to this problem? Oh, it's not the same, is it? 3 plus negative 4 is negative 1. So when you had two minus signs, they become a plus sign. But if there's only one minus sign, it becomes plus negative. All right, let's try this one. What if this said 5 minus 9?
No, you gotta put the pluses
Yeah?
in front of
Pay
the
attention, Andrew.
having this connection.
Melina, sit up. What would we put in the front of the plus of the minus sign, Cindy?
Plus sign.
Plus sign in front of the minus sign, because there's only one minus sign. If this were two minus signs, what did we do?
Plus. Make a
Change it to just plus. But this doesn't have two minus signs, it has one minus sign. So we insert a plus sign in front of the minus sign. And then what's the answer, Jacob?
So then it's 5 plus negative 9, and then that would be negative 4.
Negative 4. Yep. What's the answer to this one again?
14.
14, because it just becomes plus. A big plus sign. Okay? Yes?
So it's like if it has two minuses, then a minus would replace the 10. The 10 spot.
Well, in this case,
Yeah.
yep. Right. Questions on this? Any questions on this?
No.
Alright, I want you to practice, do some practice on page 265. I want you to do 2 through 11. Oh, sorry, yeah, 2 through 11 all. And then for the advanced math, I want you to do also 34 to 40.